Welcome to Lone Wolf Pursuits. I decided to branch out and start my own channel, maybe even my own brand here in the near future, where I'm going to be documenting all of my outdoor adventures, whether it be out on the water or out in the field. In this first video, I braved an early spring snowstorm over 2 days to test my luck on some delayed harvest trout waters. I hope you enjoy. So I'm out here on the Loyal Hannah artificial only section again. It's about just below 40 degrees, a little bit of wind, snow, rain mix. We'll see what we can have happen here in the late part of the afternoon. All right, stay tuned. So I'm running trout magnet worm and a jig head. That's what I'm using for my presentation. Then about a foot or so up the line, I have my split shot to get it down. Nice one.
Outdoors catching them big old trout, baby. Woo!
Got a mallard in there. He's hot on it. Let him go. He might be joining me on the riverbank. It's getting pretty cold out here. Snow's picking up. Where the ducks come. He's just trying to get a little bit of action. So if you can see, it's a little bit of fast water that comes down into here, right out in front of my finger right here. It's a big deep hole, rocky towards the middle, kind of sandy, silty right along here. Nice big log jam over there. It's where they've been hiding. Get a nice good bite through there, and then it picks up and kind of shallows up a little bit through there, but there's a couple deep spots. So we're going to keep working the bottom, see what we can pull out. 2 so far on the day.
Got a nice one. We're hammering. It's third one a day, baby. Third one a day. Come here, little buddy.
So, there's a little bit of a stick hanging out right here, as you can see. And right on beyond it is where the fast current comes down and it starts to get real deep. Right off the ledge, there's a ledge that comes off right here and it bellies up into a nice bowl. Just got one out of there, so we're going to see if we can pull another one, get a little bit more action.
Got a big one on. Look at it. Look at it. There we go, baby.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Look at how big he is. Nice big one, probably about a foot. That's what we've been waiting on. Another one that came right off.
Nice rainbow. Just got back to the car. Snow's starting to come down and it's starting to get a little dark out here, so figured I'd cross the stream while the opportunity presented itself. 5 total today, few nice ones, but hoping to get back out here tomorrow, make it day 2. As you can see, my rain jacket's soaked, hands are cold, but even though it was cold, the bite was on fire, so stay tuned. So I'm back out here on the Loyal Hannah artificial only section again. Got to come out for 2nd day in a row. As you can kind of see behind me, nice fresh dusting of snow. Hopefully the cold temperatures don't really bother the bite much, but didn't seem to have any interference yesterday. Sitting at about 28-30 degrees right now. Wind's not as bad as it was yesterday, so we'll see what we can get into this afternoon. appears I'm the only one on the stream. It's on the other side over there yesterday. Gonna head back there and start here and see what we can pull out. Alright, time to cross the creek. Crossing the creek now. Water's pretty chilly, but thank God for insulated waders and insulated clothing. It's about hip height right here. I don't recommend doing a leg day before you decide to walk through the stream all afternoon. So we're going to get set up on this other side, probably right past this log up here. Good part about today is our wind's down a bit, so should help with casting and not running out so much line. Hopefully today's the day. Get a big boy in the net. Nice solid one yesterday, but kind of want that more often. Alright, so we're going to post up right in here, work this top part first, and we'll walk down to the about 10 yards down the stream right here to that bank and fish that nice hole that I was talking about yesterday. So when I cast this out, I always like to get it out there, let it sink for a second, get it reeling your slack, and then just twitch it a little bit. Give it a little bit of movement, try to catch their eye. So right out here, like as you can see where that log gem is, about halfway towards the minnow, I just had a big bite. Didn't quite take it, so I missed up on that. And then about 10 seconds later, nice sized one just jumped right up on here. So they're in here. Got to put it right in front of them today. A little lethargic because of the water temperature, but we're gonna see. We'll see. Just caught a nice brown right out of this little run, this little hole right here. GoPro was acting up, but I got it on the phone, so you'll get to see that whenever I put everything together and edit. Just caught this slab, absolute monster, right out of the hole. So I came back upstream about halfway from the spot I was just at to where I started, and right on through here there's a little bit of a channel, that kind of shale slate rocks in along there. So see if we can pull one or two out of here and then go back upstream. Little rainbow right out of here. It's only a little pool and I didn't think anything was going to be in there, but a neat enough. Now I've been out of here about, I'd say 4.5 hours. Got into a handful of them today. Really nice one today towards the beginning. I don't think I got one of them on camera due to the GoPro losing power and battery needing charge, but it was a good day. Hopefully we're able to get back out here soon and the weather's more springy and not wintry with all the snow and cold. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can, drop a like, comment, share, or even subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it and it would help me grow. In my next video, I'll be bringing you all of the action from 2022's opening day of trout here in Western Pennsylvania. Until next time.